Welcome back to day 3 of 12 Days of FabFitFun. So let's go ahead and get into the box again. We've already done day 1 and 2. We'll look for day 3. Where can it be? Aha! Let's pop that out. If I can get in there. And what do we have here? It is the original Tangle Teaser. And it looks like it is a detangling brush. I think I've read about these before. I think I even considered getting one before, but I just didn't. And now I have one. And I can't seem to get it open. I was going to take it out and show you, but I guess opening it will have to be for another day because I'm just struggling and I just cannot find how to open it. So here you go. Take another look. Retail value $12. And I'm curious to how this works. It would be good for my gym bag, I think. Yep, we'll try it out. So that's day 3. I'll see you again tomorrow for day 4. Thank you so much for watching, and please